Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to import products from AliExpress to Shopify dropshipping. So you can enter deezers.com to help you import products from AliExpress to Shopify dropshipping. Now click try it for free at the upper right corner and then create a Deezers account, and in here click Shopify at the bottom and then click add app and then click yes, then click install apps and then click get started, and in here click AliExpress and log into your account, then click authorize and then at the Deezer's web page click Chrome Web Store and add to Chrome. So now you add the extension of Deezers, and if you go back to AliExpress, you can see now the add to Deezers button at the bottom center. So that's it. That's how to import products from AliExpress to Shopify dropshipping. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.